Hey, what's up guys? Chris with Drivermotorsports here. We got this awesome old school JDM build. This is a second gen Soarer. It's a GZ20 Soarer. It has the 1G GTE. So this was the predecessor to the 7M, which was the predecessor to the 1J and the 2J. So it's a badass motor, all right? So basically I bought this in Japan, right? We just got it. We put it on the dyno, test it out, make sure the air fuels are good and everything. And we figured, why not make a real wheel horsepower video? So here we are. It's a 2-liter inline 6, okay? That's what it comes factory, twin turbo. This obviously has been converted to single turbo. We believe it is a Greddy manifold. It's an IHI turbo. We're not sure the size of it. It's an awesome car. This is like, I love this thing. Wide bodied, with flares, got some awesome work wheels on here. Somebody really cared about this car. We got it in, everything works. All the gauges work, everything. So obviously somebody in Japan, this was their baby. I don't know why they had to sell it, but their loss, right? We got it now. So we're running 18 PSI. We're gonna test it out and see what kind of numbers she makes. All right guys, we're back. That was awesome. This thing sounds incredible. I love the blow-off valve. I think it's an old school Blitz blow-off valve. It sounds incredible. So what we have is, it made a lot more power than I thought it was gonna make actually. So it made 385 horsepower.
I'm just the media guy, so I'm gonna say
387.
Well, hold on. Take out the other two and just leave the red one. And 329 foot-pounds of torque. This thing will hurt a lot of feelings. And imagine this was out in like probably the late 80s, running around destroying people. So I love this car. I don't know if we're gonna sell it. Maybe we will. Maybe you can pry it from my dead hands. I don't know. I might hold on to this one. It's pretty awesome. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit more and maybe we'll sell it. Maybe we won't. Maybe I might hold on to this one. I don't know. I keep saying that, but I love these 80s JDM sports cars. The boxy look is just incredible to me. I love it so much. So I don't know. I might end up hanging on to this one. We'll see. But make sure you like and subscribe and watch out for more awesome videos from Driver Motorsports.